All right, so it's been a while since I've done anything regarding any sort of like new keyboard or things like that, but I've got an 8BitDo retro mechanical keyboard that I wanted to do a quick unboxing of. I decided that I wanted to upgrade my keyboard at work, and I decided this would be the one that I wanted to do. But it's an 87 key keyboard that's able to connect through either 2.4G Bluetooth or cable through USB, and it has mechanical switches. I believe that they're Kale box white switches, if I remember correctly. It's got a programmable key, little dongle here with two giant buttons on it, and all those switches are also hot swappable. It's got some information here. I'm not going to go over it because I don't know enough about it to really talk about it, but there you go. You can pause it if you need it. Either way, I chose this keyboard because one, I wanted a nice mechanical switch keyboard, and this one was pretty well reviewed. Also, I liked the retro look, and it's probably a lame reason. I'm currently learning Japanese. This has Japanese characters on it, and I like Nintendo. This is Famicom. It's all sorts of fun stuff. But yeah, it's a nice looking box as far as like the look of it goes. But let's get inside and actually take a look at the fun stuff. All right, so getting in, we have the keyboard, which I'll just set over to the side for a second. We have a couple sticker pads. I'm assuming that these are for the little 2-button controller that you get. Get a quick guide for mapping the keys for the little 2-button thing. There you go. So this is, yeah, instruction manual. And then we have USB-C to USB-A cable. Excuse my finger, I've been painting. And then we have the little extra dongle. And that's everything that's inside the box. So let's start by taking a look at this actually. So this actually connects through a headphone jack style connector, and it's really just two giant buttons. They sound really nice and clicky. I could imagine using something like this to make like an actual like giant sized like Famicom controller. And in here it's just actual just switches. Honestly, it's just the button itself that probably helps with the noise that it makes, but set that off to the side. Then we have the keyboard itself. It's actually a fairly weighty keyboard. This has a decent amount of weight too. This on its own almost weighs what I feel like this weighs. But there are no adjustable feet, but it's already on like a decent angle on its own. Base of it is a nice, what would you call this, like maroon or like dark red 8BitDo. Information underneath is, it's like magnetically held, but this is your USB dongle if you choose to do that. On the back, C, USB cable import for your charging. This is so you can plug your little dongle in there. Nothing on the side and nothing on this side as well. On the top, you have switches for either Bluetooth off or the 2.4. And I've heard that these actually have like a really decent battery life, so I would be excited to see that. However, I'm actually just going to be using this wired, so I don't have to worry about charging it while I'm at work. It's got a connecting button, a star button, I think, which is programmable, and an 8BitDo button, which I have to look at the instruction button to do, and then a power indicator. But yeah, it's just a standard keyboard without the 10 key on this side, which typically I would enjoy having. I do use it a lot for work, but I have something else that'll hopefully help me with that. But yeah, I really do enjoy this. The keys have a nice clicky sound to them, and I do really enjoy that. I don't have a key puller, but as you can see here, it's the nice switch that I was talking about. I do like the A, the A-B buttons here. But yeah, it's a very nice keyboard. Honestly, I just wanted to sort of change up my look and make my workspace a little bit more enjoyable, hopefully. But yeah, that's it. Let me know if you have picked up one of these. Once I actually take a bit of time to play around with this at work, I might come back and talk a little bit more about it. But for right now, I just wanted to show it off. Let me know what you think. And thanks. See you later. Bye-bye.